How to recolor an object in OpenArt AI. So I'm over here at the home page. Let's go to image. Then go to chat to edit. To chat with the AI, it says, tell me your edit request. So let's upload an image. Over here you can click upload an image, or you could just drag and drop an image on this big blue square. So I'm gonna use an image. I'm gonna drop on this blue square. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the color of this cone to a purple one. So I'm gonna write it here, change the orange cone to a purple one. And then click send the message over here, and you'll see it in the chat, and the AI will think what to do. And just wait. As you can see, it changed it to a purple one. This is the previous image, this is the new image. Now let's try another one. Let's change the color of his safety helmet. So I'm gonna type again. Change the yellow safety helmet to a purple one. Then click send message. And just wait. As you can see, it changed the helmet to a purple one. Let's go to the previous image. It didn't only change the color, but it also changed the look of the helmet. Which, if you are trying to keep the same helmet, make sure to give it more details, like keep the image the same or keep the helmet the same, just change the color. Yeah, so this is how you can recolor an object in OpenArt AI. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.